today we have a topic, computer parts and their inventor's name. It's a very important topic. Okay students, so let's
Start the topic. So start with the inventors. First, as we all know, the father of computer was Charles Babbage. He was the father of computer. He made the first digital computer. Second, internet. Whatever we suffering from the internet, we search anything from the computers, it's just because of internet. And the inventors of internet is, there was two people. First is Robert E. Kahn and second is Mr. Vint Cerf, as we all know. And speaker, whatever we listen just because of a speaker. A speaker made by Peter L. Jensen. Peter L. Jensen. And the microphones, whatever we say in the microphones as mic, mile, Berliner. And the UPS, the uninterruptible power supply, James E. Casey. The projector, Charles Francis Jenkins. The printers, and he developed the printer. The scanner, we scan the files and stored in the CPU. The file has scanned as a digital format. So the Ray Kurzweil was invented scanner. The mouse, as we all know, whatever mouse is an input device, whatever we click because of the help of mouse, and the Douglas Engelbart invented mouse. And the keyboard is also an output device. So many keys are there. Christopher Latham Scholler. And the monitor, John Ericsson, is an output device invented by John Ericsson. The hard disk, अभी हार्ड डिस्क को छोड़ देते हैं. फ्लॉपी डिस्क, he invented floppy disk. Floppy disk is a storage device. It's just like a pen drive series, but ये काफ़ी पुरानी थी ये फ्लॉपी डिस्क. इसमें बहुत ही कम डाटा स्टोर हो पाता था. योशिरो Nakamatsu. And the CD, it is also a storage device invented by James Russell. And the modem, it is basically used to connect so many computers within one computers by the help of network. इस एक कंप्यूटर को बाकी कंप्यूटर से जोड़कर इंटरनेट सप्लाई करने के लिए मॉडेम का यूज़ किया जा सकता है. डेनिस Hayes. And the mobile, the Martin Cooper invented first mobile in the world, and the first mobile was Motorola, invented by Martin Cooper. First mobile was Motorola and the inventor is Martin Cooper. The pen drive, whatever the program, the files, we store in the pen drive, and the pen drive made by Hua Ken Sheng. And the laptop, computer made us very easy to work by the help of laptop. When the laptop came, it is very easy for us to take it away from anywhere by help of Adam Osborne. He made first laptop. So my dear student, thank you so much. We end the topic here. Class is over now. See you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.